Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want to tell about implementing partnership in the school, how to program partnership. What the principal partnership in your school?
Um, our school is useful for all community, not just in their in our environment, but we try to reach another environment. For example, not just in near from our school, yeah, but another area, maybe, but far so far from our school, parents come to our school to join with our school. Nah, there are 5 principles that
The POM is
yeah,
the POM or the pattern,
yeah,
the approach, yeah.
the process
The
that
approach,
we use for
yeah.
this
The approach implementing.
yeah, approach our implementing in what is it, kemitraan.
Yeah.
There are 5
Yeah.
principles. First is communication. How to make a good or effective communication with with all of stakeholders in our school,
Communication
and
with teacher,
with teachers, with parents, and other people who include in our environment in this school.
include the stakeholder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Include
Yeah.
all is stakeholder in here. And
Okay, okay,
next principle is how to make coordination with parents, with another people here, and it's like how to coordinate the class, how to coordinate our program in our school, and it's used for or the coordination. I think it's very important for to reach our aim from all of our programs in our school.
The first
And
communication, the next coordination, the next
coordinating, and next is connecting.
connecting.
Yeah, how to make a connecting one people to each other, and it's like make a connection with what I mean, another foundation, another school,
Yeah.
and then the connection of course will make our school is famous in out. Yeah. And
Okay. How do parents community support in
Yeah.
school?
After we make a connecting, we try to make a one community in our school, special for parents, and we call it POM, Persatuan Orang Tua Murid, and then they make a lot of program like parenting class, and make what I mean, webinar international national webinar. Yeah, for example,
International conference.
to invite famous psycholog, for example. And this one, the example how to
connection
make connect our parents, and they try to active make a seminar or another conference, and all parents in our school, in the end they want to be active and want to see their children grow better in the future.
Okay, the last, what's problem and solution in partnership your problem?
There are some problems. For example, a lot of some parents is very busy and have no time for active in the community, but another parents try to make attractive program, and the program very is interesting for another parents. And the end, the other parents who not active in that time try to active because there are something interest. For example, make a conference and invite famous psycholog, for example, Ibu Eli Risman, and I think it's one solution how to make a creative program to invite all of people active in their community.
Okay, Ustazah Ulfa, Miss Ulfa,
Yes.
thank you for your attention. Thank you all the time.
Yes.
Thank you for giving the opportunity for discussion about partnership. Maybe Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala rewarding all your life, rahmat dan berkah. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
I hope this partnership will make a successful program in another time, inshallah.
Amin, amin, inshallah.